Understanding, send me a DM, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become incredibly common in our digital world. Send me a DM. If you're curious about what this means and how to use it effectively in English, you're in the right place. DM stands for direct message. It's a form of private communication on social media platforms and messaging apps. Unlike public comments or posts, a DM is only visible to the sender and the receiver. It's the digital equivalent of having a private conversation in a crowded room. You might hear or see, send me a DM, in various contexts. 1. Social media. When someone prefers a private conversation on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. 2. Business and networking. Professionals might ask for a DM to discuss opportunities privately. 3. Online communities. Members may request DMs to share specific information that's not suitable for public forums. Initiating contact. If you want to talk privately, you can ask someone to send me a DM. Responding to requests. When someone asks a question publicly, and you prefer to answer privately, suggest, send me a DM. Offering help or information. If you can assist someone, but it requires sharing personal or detailed information, use, send me a DM. Privacy. Remember that DMs are private. Keep the content respectful and confidential. Clarity. Be clear about why you're asking for a DM. Misunderstandings are common in written communication. Responsiveness. If someone sends you a DM, try to reply promptly. It's courteous and helps maintain a good conversation flow. Send me a DM is a handy phrase in our increasingly online world. It's all about communicating privately and efficiently. Whether you're networking, socializing, or seeking information, understanding this phrase will definitely enhance your English communication skills. Happy messaging, and see you in the next video.